when Jeffrey had been in my hometown, okay, I said, let's go. So we went on another trip. We flew to Munich and went all over there, and then we rented a car and drove up toward Eschwege. And on the way, I went to where my grandfather, the cantor, lived, or was born, rather, and it was still a dirt village, nothing paved or anything. And I get out of the car, and there's a woman with a little child whom I asked in German, where is the Yiddish Friedhof, or the Jewish cemetery? And she said, the Judenfriedhof is dort, the Jewish cemetery, not Jewish, the Jew cemetery. The Juden, you know, it was mean, not, you can say it two ways. And it's over there, and I ran down like a maniac. In those days, I could still run. And overgrown field I ran through to get to the cemetery, and I saw, it wasn't my grandfather, I knew he wasn't buried there, but he had a cousin with the same name, and I saw these names there. And I got so excited. It's like a family connection, even though I'd never met those people who were in that cemetery.